Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Brie. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing for an Hermès lip balm. And so this was one of my graduation gifts. So I didn't even know that Hermès made lip balm. And that's because that's all I wear, lip balm and mascara and blush. But anyways, let's get right into opening this. Okay. So this is the little box that they sent in. This was ordered online. And then I just have to pull this tab open, which is kind of difficult because I have nails. And I'm not used to having nails, so yeah. And then you open it and it says beautiful Hermès there, right in the opening. It says Bienvenue Hermès. I'm guessing, I'm not sure what that means. Probably like welcome, I guess. I'm assuming. And then the items are right inside. It's just this little package. And then there's the little envelope that's there. Okay. So opening this up, we have this little package, the Rouge Hermès Lip Care Balm. And you can see right there the sneak peek of where it says Hermès and the orange. Super cute. I really like this packaging. It's very simple. And this is refillable, it says on the side. So yeah, this is the little box. And then as I continue opening this, it's just this little envelope, and it has a card inside. I got a card. It says congratulations because I'm graduating, if I didn't mention that. And so yeah, they just have it like this. And I saw a video that's where they keep like all their like paperwork in this. So I thought it was very interesting, very minimalistic, very plain. I like it. It's cute, and it has a little logo right there on the little slip for the envelope. And then in the back it just has all the return policy. Very nice, we like that. I'm not gonna return it, but I'm sure it comes in handy when people need to return items if they got them wrong, they didn't like it. So yeah, this is a little box, and then we're gonna open it. I think I'm gonna open it from the bottom because it's just much easier for me. And then this beautiful orange packaging for lip balm. This is so beautiful. I've never owned anything from Hermès, so I can only imagine all the other items. Super cute. This nice little orange that they're known for. And it has, again, the logo Hermès Paris. You're just going to push this from the inside, and then it slides open. And there you can see the little lip balm in a little bag, which is so cute. Like, it reminds me of purses when they come in their little dust bags. So I just take it out. It's this little dust bag. And right away on top you can see the Hermès. So beautiful. You could just let it slip on out. And it's this white little package with some gold detailing around, just like the top. And then in the bottom it says Balm de soir pour les lèvres. I don't know what that means, but around it says lip balm, made in Italy. So this is what it says in the bottom. And now you open the lip balm. This is magnetic, which I find really cool because if you just put this in your bag, it wouldn't open that easily, I assume. So there's a magnetic, and then you twist it open, and it has this white lip balm. It smells sweet, so I'm gonna try it on because I have nothing on my lips. Very soothing. and very soft on the lips. So yeah, that's the little Hermès lip balm, and I'm so excited to try it out. So let me know what you guys think about this little lip balm. If you plan to buy it or if you already have one. I know there are several different colors and I really want to try them out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.